Math challenge. 32 divide root 8 by 8 divide root 32. So this is a fraction. This one we can write 32 by root 8. This one is against numerator. Denominator we can write, here is a divide 8 by root 32. Okay, now this is 32 by root 8 will be unchanged, and once we divide one fraction to another fraction, against this division sign we can write multiplication sign, and next fraction will be flipped. So here is a root 32 by 8. Okay, now 32 divide 8 is a 4, so we can write 4 times this 32 root 32, we can write root 4 times root 8, right, and divide root 8. So this root 8 and root 8 out. Here is 4 times root 4 means 2. So our answer is 8. Thank you. I hope you understand this one.